Hey y'all, I was trying to use YouTube to find instruction manuals for LEGO sets, and I came across an issue where there would be step-by-step instructions that had just taken pictures of old instruction pamphlets, and sometimes the colors were very difficult to tell apart. And there were other series of videos that would show how to put together sets, but they weren't necessarily previous released LEGO sets. So I figured that I would start uploading, to the best of my ability, a handful of sets that I currently own, and show the step-by-step instructions from the booklet, as well as a layout, a guide, and hopefully I'll start to improve the production quality of these as I go. Right now I'm just working on the floor here. But for starters, I have the pieces arranged as they are in the instruction booklet. This is for the following set. I do not know the name of it. It is Geonosian Sonic Cannon, just from looking at it, set 9491. Something I didn't see in any of the YouTube videos I came across was, I don't know what I'm trying to say. It would have one or the other, like I said before. It'd either have the instruction pamphlet or it'd have a build, but I'm trying to do both here. So flipping back to the start, I'm going to try to position this so that I can build. Let's see how this works. It's not going to work. We'll see how this works. First up, we have the Jedi character. Head, blue shirt, correction, cape, onto the torso piece, midnight blue, Jedi head, cowl, and the trouser piece is black with a silver handled lightsaber, blue blade. Even in the instruction pamphlet that came with this set, it's not always easy to tell exactly what color some of these are, so I'm trying to narrate them as I put them together. Hopefully it'll help out somebody. Second piece, clone trooper, green, with a blaster pistol. Green trousers, green torso, standard clone head, green striped helmet, blaster pistol. I'll try to improve lighting conditions in future uploads. Hopefully that'll help make these colors a little more standoutish. Then there are two Geonosians, gray trousers, gray torso, plastic gray wings, gray headpiece. And the other Geonosian, all brown. Brown legs, brown torso, clear brown wings, brown headpiece. And they each have a weapon. Both of these weapons are also silverish in color, neither dark nor light gray. That's a problem I often have with older instruction sets that I find online, is just telling some of the finer colors apart, especially if there are a lot of darker colors. You can get grays mixed up very easily. Sometimes you can't even see what black pieces attach where, because it's impossible to count the dots. Right, next page. Dark brown, 4x6. Dark gray, 1x6 with holes. 2 dark brown, 1x2s. 2 dark gray pegs. These will be the firing pegs once the little bullets are attached. And they each have a retainer that keeps them from sliding back out. Another dark gray, 1x6. Two by 8, dark brown. 2 light gray bullets. Correction, 3, but only 2 of them fire. Those 2 will have these fluorescent green cones added to the end. After that, 2 half moon dark brown pieces, quarter moon, a dark gray 1x6 thin, a dark gray triangle piece, a 2x6 dark gray, and then the top is done for now. Flipping it over, you have a 1x8 that faces to the rear. It has a slide along it, and you have 2 dark gray thin 2x2s that act as skid plates. Flip it back over to the top, 2x4 dark brown, two by 3 black, then you have 3 1x2s, each with a hole in the center, 2 light gray discs that are plugged into the sides of these dark brown pieces, a 2x3 black, an L-shaped dark gray piece, 1x2 on top, 2x2 on the back side, 2 fluorescent 1x1 thin round pieces, fluorescent green or fluorescent yellow, whichever you would call that. They look more like a radioactive green color to me. A 1x2 that slopes down into a 2x2 that slopes down into a 1x2 dark brown, a thin 1x2 dark brown, a light gray 1x2 with a X-shaped slot for a peg, a dark brown sloped piece that caps this off, and then you have 2 control sticks, rods, both black. Alright, and then that piece is set aside for now. You have a 2x12 black thin, it takes a light brown, almost orange, downward sloped piece, and then a second, and then a dark brown, a light gray 1x4 with peg holes, 2 pegs. I don't know if I'm calling these pieces by the right names, but I'm sure I'll figure that out. A dark ground downslope piece for the end of this, and then 2 orange brown 2x2 thins. Two by 3 black thin, 2x2 orange brown thin, and then 2 downward sloped orange brown 1x3s that are sloped. 1 triangular dark brown piece, and then a dark gray T-shaped connector, dark brown triangular piece, and another peg. another 2x2 orange brown thin, and then this first leg connects to the other piece that we just finished. Another 2x12 black thin, two orange brown downslopes, a dark brown 1x4 downslope, 1x4 light gray with peg holes, followed by 2 pegs. And then another dark brown triangular shaped piece for the back. 2 orange brown thin 2x2s, a 2x3 black thin, a 2x2 orange brown, 2 1x3 orange brown downslope pieces, a T-shaped connector, dark brown triangular, another dark brown triangular piece, and the final peg. One more thin 2x2, and then the second leg connects. An X-shaped post. Now this piece, I'm not sure how to describe. It's light gray, but this book does not have a scale that indicates how long it is, so I'm going to have to try to figure out some transferable scale. Let's say from the standard minifig, it's going to be about 1 leg higher. I'll work on that. A minifig length bar plus a torso, or plus pants. Dark brown disc, orange brown 2x2, a second dark brown disc, rotate it until it connects, an orange brown disc, light brown, dark brown 2x2 thick circular, and then this portion connects to the X-shaped post. Black steering wheel, light gray, thin, circular 2x2. They attach to the X post. And then 4 light gray robot arms that attach to 4 dark gray 1x2s. In the centers. And these 4 all attach, not up, down, left, right, but at each angle on this steering wheel. Light brown, brown-orange disc, dark gray disc, or large circular piece, dark brown, thick 2x2 circular piece, light brown, thin 2x2 circular piece, and then this also attaches to the sonic cannon. Coming up into the end of this now, you have a bullet, radioactive green, 1x1. I have no idea what to call this. It is light gray though. Circular light gray, no outside connectors. 2 dark gray discs. They connect to each other. One of them just broke. Alright, and then those slide onto the other end of this bullet. Luckily, I don't have to have them both in working order. Blue peg, peg on one side, X on the other. Light gray circle. Connects to the bullet, and then the entire assembly connects to the sonic cannon. I feel like it's supposed to go a little bit further. I have definitely missed a piece here, because I have 2 remaining. Okay, I see. Going back to the first of the dark gray, there was supposed to be a 2x2 circular light gray and a 2x2 circular thin light brown here. I'll try to take my time a little more slowly with any follow-ups so I don't miss any pieces. Alright, and then at that point you have the completed sonic cannon along with 4 minifigures, which I will arrange here to do a final sweep. Hopefully this makes it a little bit easier if you're trying to put together sets from random pieces that you have, or from a set that you used to have that you no longer do. Again, set 9491, Geonosis, 1 Jedi, 1 Stormtrooper, Clone Trooper, 2 Geonosians, 1 brown, 1 gray, and 1 sonic cannon. Thank you for your time.